Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Today's question is competition of four. In this question, we are participating in an elite chess tournament for four people in the world only. There are prizes in this tournament, obviously. So if we finish rank I, we get 1000 times 2 raised to the power 4 minus I rupees. Thus, the prizes are as follows. So if you get rank 1, you get 8000 rupees. If you get rank 2, you get 4000 rupees. If you get rank 3, you get 2000 rupees, and if you get rank 4, you get 1000 rupees. Now we finished at rank X and we need to print that how much prize money did we win. Now our rank would be in between 1 and 4 because there are only 4 participants. In the input will be given the first and like a single line of input which contains a single integer X, which is our rank. And in the output, all we need to do is we need to print the prize money that we won in rupees. So for example, in the sample input 1, we finish rank 1, so we'll simply print 8000. In the sample input 4, we finished rank 4, so we'll print 1000. That is the amount we want. Now let's see the solution. So let's first see the solution in Python and then in C++. So here's the solution in Python. So we'll first of all take in the input of X. I will check all the four possibilities. That is, if our rank is 1, we know that we won 8000 rupees, so we'll print 8000. If our rank is 2, we'll print 4000. If our rank is 3, we'll print 2000, and otherwise we'll print 1000 because our rank is 4. And that's pretty much the whole solution in Python. The time complexity of the solution is constant because we're just doing these 5, 6 constant operations. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll begin by taking in the input of X using cin. We'll check if X is equal to 1, and if it is, we'll print 8000. If X is equal to 2, then we'll print 4000. If X is equal to 3, then we'll print 2000. Otherwise, we'll simply print 1000. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity of this solution is constant because we're just doing these 7, 8 constant operations. And yeah, that's pretty much the full solution. I hope you liked it. Thanks. Bye-bye.